Today we're talking about the tires and suspension for your Honda Element. I recently upgraded my tires to the Nexen Roadian ATX, which is a brand new all-terrain tire from Nexen, and then I also upgraded the suspension goodies on the Honda Element. I added the adjustable rear control arms from Aerogenics to help fix the camber issue that a lot of Honda Elements have. A lot of Honda Element owners know this, but if you look in the back of them, you'll see that the tires are kind of caved in like this. And that causes a lot of uneven wear on your tires. So by adding in the adjustable rear control arms by Aerogenics, I was able to fix that issue, and now you can see my tires are basically at a 0-degree angle, which helps with my fuel efficiency, and I also think it just makes it look a lot better. To install the tires, we're going to head over to my buddy Mike True at True Performance Motorsports in Santa Ana, and he's going to install these Nexen Roadian ATX Pros. And then after that, we'll see Miguel from Element Lifestyle, who's going to help me install all of these suspension goodies. And one quick note, make sure that you get your tires aligned after you do any sort of suspension or tire upgrade. So let's head over to Mike True and let's get these tires installed. Yo, yo, yo.
What's up?
It's time for tires, dude. What do you think about my tires?
I think your tires are going to be awesome.
Yeah?
Especially since we're going down, you're going to save some gas mileage. It's going to be some all-terrains just like what you had.
What do you think about what I had on there beforehand?
All that camber wear from not getting in alignment. This time you're going to get in alignment.
That's for sure. And a small lift kit.
Yep.
Brutal. Yeah, because it would have lasted a lot longer for sure. That's crazy.
Want to check out the new ones?
Yeah, let's check them out. So yeah, what do we got going on here?
It's the new Nexen Roadian ATX. It's the new all-terrain tire by Nexen.
Nice.
You got a little bit more aggressive sidewall, and then the new tread is way more aggressive than the old one.
Is it? Ooh.
Yeah.
Should hit the snow or something.
You went a little narrower on the width though, so you'll get a little bit more gas mileage from this set.
For the 4 or 5 times I've took it off-road, I think it'll be fine.
When you want to go camping, you gotta have it.
Yeah. I wonder how it's gonna be, because those ones are actually pretty loud driving. So I wonder if these are gonna be any better. The front's got some serious wear. What's going on with the fronts?
Looks like somebody was cornering a little hard with their Element.
Me?
But you could totally tell from the wear.
Sounds about right.
Thing do off road.
Not horrible. It's the biggest thing is the clearance. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Giving some love to your Element for 2024.
That's right.
I'm gonna measure with the other one just because this is an aftermarket one.
Yeah.
Make sure.
The line.
You
Oh
see,
yeah.
this is a little bit bigger, so I will have to put it as close as I can.
I see.
Thank you, Honda, for making this fall all the way over there.
Thank you, Honda. We appreciate you. So here's the results. I think the Element looks great with the new Nexen tires. The Nexen tires give me a lot less road noise, and I'm super excited to take them out on some snowy trails to see how they handle in the snow, but in the dirt overall they're working great. After adding in all these suspension components, I'm getting a lot less squeaks when I go over bumps, and it's just a lot smoother ride. So I'll leave links down below in the description to all of the products that I used today, so if you want to add them to your Honda Element, you can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I recently opened up channel memberships, and channel memberships is a way for you to help support this channel. There's 3 tiers to the channel memberships. The first tier is to buy me some coffee, so that'll power me to help edit these videos. The second tier is for gas money, and that's to help fund my travels. And then the third tier is to help build out the Cargo Khaki all-wheel drive Honda Element, which I've been working on for the past year or so. So if you like this channel and you want to help support it, pick out one of those tiers. And in addition to helping support this channel, you get little perks. Like with the first tier, you get custom emojis. The second tier, you get access to me on social media. On the third tier, you get special shout outs on this channel. So thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you next time. Peace.